When it comes to enhancing the comfort, aesthetics, and value of your home, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades you can make is installing energy-efficient windows. Alliance Homes Inc. has redefined the window installation process with a focus on energy efficiency, providing homeowners with a smart, long-term solution to both lower utility bills and improve overall home comfort. Here's why Alliance Homes Inc. window installation is a game-changer for your home's energy efficiency. Cutting-edge technology for superior insulation. Alliance Homes Inc. uses advanced window technology that significantly improves insulation. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer between your home and the outside environment. Their windows feature multi-pane glass, with air or gas layers, such as argon or krypton, sandwiched between them. These layers act as buffers that help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. The result? You'll experience fewer drafts, warmer winters, and cooler summers, all while keeping energy consumption at a minimum. Reducing your carbon footprint. In today's world, being environmentally responsible is more important than ever. With energy-efficient windows, you're taking a direct step towards reducing your home's carbon footprint. By keeping your home's temperature steady with minimal energy use, the reliance on heating and cooling systems is reduced. This decrease in energy demand helps cut down on the carbon emissions produced by your HVAC system. Alliance Homes Inc. offers windows that not only enhance energy efficiency but also help you contribute to a greener planet. Savings on utility bills. Homeowners know that one of the largest portions of their monthly energy bills comes from heating and cooling their home. Traditional windows, often single-paned or poorly insulated, can lead to significant energy loss. This results in your heating system or air conditioner working harder to maintain the temperature inside your home, driving up your utility costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows from Alliance Homes Inc., you can expect noticeable savings on your monthly energy bills. The improved insulation means your home will retain heat in the winter and stay cooler during the summer months. This reduces the load on your heating and cooling systems, leading to lower energy consumption. Over time, these savings add up, making the investment in energy-efficient windows a financially smart choice. Increased comfort in every season. Energy-efficient windows aren't just about saving money. They're also about enhancing your overall living experience. Alliance Homes Inc. windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing hot and cold spots that are common in homes with outdated windows. The right window can block out external noise, reduce drafts, and keep the temperature inside your home more stable, so you can enjoy comfort year-round. Whether it's the chill of winter or the heat of summer, your home will feel just right, and you won't have to adjust the thermostat constantly to stay comfortable. Alliance Homes Inc. offers windows that are designed with your family's comfort in mind, ensuring your home remains the sanctuary you deserve. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. In addition to energy efficiency, Alliance Homes Inc. windows enhance the overall look of your home. Available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, these windows can complement any design aesthetic. Whether you're looking for sleek modern frames, classic wood finishes, or something in between, there's a perfect fit for your home. What's more, energy-efficient windows can also increase the resale value of your property. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with modern, energy-saving features, knowing that they will save on utility bills and enjoy greater comfort. Installing Alliance Homes Inc. windows can be a strategic investment if you're thinking about selling your home in the future. Superior durability and low maintenance. The windows installed by Alliance Homes Inc. are not only energy efficient but also built to last. Made with durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass, these windows are resistant to wear and tear from the elements. You won't have to worry about peeling paint or rotting wood, which means less maintenance for you. Additionally, these windows are designed to be easy to clean, ensuring they continue to look great and perform efficiently over time. Professional installation for maximum performance. Even the best windows won't perform as they should if they aren't installed properly. Alliance Homes Inc. ensures that each window is expertly installed, maximizing its energy-saving potential. Their experienced professionals ensure that the installation is done right the first time, preventing air leaks, gaps, or other issues that could compromise the performance of your new windows. Conclusion. Investing in energy-efficient windows from Alliance Homes Inc. is a smart way to enhance your home's comfort, reduce your energy bills, and improve its overall value. With cutting-edge technology, expert installation, and long-term savings, it's clear that upgrading your windows is one of the best decisions you can make for your home. Experience the difference with Alliance Homes Inc. and take your home's energy efficiency to the next level.